We'll wait for another 2 minutes for all our family to join, the Insta family.
Good evening. I'm Praveen from Sri Balaji Jewelers, and with me is my son Kunj, into jewelry business with all of you, creating new things every time. So first of all, another ultralight session wherein we have lovely new additions in our jewelry segment. And దానికంటే ముందు ఒక మాట చెప్తాను, why people buy jewelry on Deepavali. So my grandfather always used to tell that Lakshmi is Chanchal Swarupam. So it is in the liquid state. So it flows away. Like you give a lady 50,000 rupees and tell her to move around and come back in the evening, the money will reduce by the time she comes back. So బంగారం కొంటే స్థగిత రూపంలో, స్వర్ణలక్ష్మి రూపంలో మీ ఇంటిలో తరాలకి ఆగుతుందని ఒక థాట్ ప్రాసెస్ తోటి అందరూ ధన్తేరస్కి, విచ్ ఈస్ ఆన్ 2nd of November, జ్యువెలరీ కొంటారండి. సో వీ ఆర్ హియర్ టు షోకేస్ యూ లవ్లీ జ్యువెలరీ, అండ్ వీ వాంట్ Lakshmi Devi to be in your house for generations together with Sukh and Samruddhi, and Kunj will take you to the next level what we are making now. He will talk about this.
And you were telling that we are having a offer on till the Diwali.
Yes, we are having an offer wherein for anything you buy in plain gold or in stones except diamonds, we are giving it without any making charges.
So no making charges on all the gold products.
So no making charges till the Deepavali. So please rush in, go for your purchases. And one request, we have a lot of shortage in the stocks, so we are not taking any orders for now. Whatever is ready, we will be selling that, because a lot of delays happened due to production this time. So go ahead, happy shopping.
We have a very good collection of bead malas and a few of our Pachi collections that we did in lightweight. So let me show you all of them.
Yeah, can you showcase one by one?
So here we have our first piece that we have copied this piece from the Pachi catalog, the flat diamond catalog.
So this is very beautiful. You can see the make, the grace. It is a very classy, outstanding piece. And what is the weight approximately, Kunj? Is it very heavy, 60-70 grams?
No, not at all. We have done this choker only in 31 to 32 grams.
So it is very graceful, Andy. One of my favorite in today's production. So anybody who is looking for something which fills up the neck and which is very classy, the green stones also look like the Russian emeralds actually. So
and then we have the earrings for this. Very beautifully handcrafted. The whole set is coming to around 37-38 grams.
37-38 grams.
Next we move on to this design. This is with the real morganites.
So again the pastel shades are running a lot now. The baby pink is on. So a very beautiful for all the youngsters. And what is the weight like?
Can anyone guess what's the weight of this?
So any guesses on the weight of this very beautiful pendant and ear hangings? So we know all our Insta family participates a lot whenever questions are asked. So any guess on the weight? 8 grams. Sudha says it's 8 grams. Okay. Any other guesses? Is this 18 karat gold? No, it is 22 karat gold hallmarked, Durga ji.
So 10 grams, 8 grams, 10 grams. So yes, the pendant is handcrafted at only 7.2 or 3 grams. 7.5 grams almost, that's it. The mala. And then the earrings are coming to around 5 grams. The whole set is crafted in only 12 to 13 grams.
And then we have this beautiful piece. It's like the Rani Haram style. Very classy, very nice, and for sure you will love to add to your collection.
So I'll keep on telling the weights. This is in 13.4 grams.
So 13.4 grams is the net weight.
And next we have this mala. This mala is only around 4.8 grams. The red beads mala.
So the side piece pendant is 4.8 grams, Andy. So this is again a very hot seller in 4.8 grams.
And then we have this Lakshmi pendant with these beads. This is only in 4.8 grams. Sorry, this one is coming to around. Yeah, absolutely done. And then next we have this in pearls as well.
So we have the same concept in red, in white, and in green.
And green.
So Mera Bharat Mahan. So we have all the three things with us. You can see that.
So next we'll move on to this mala set.
So we have lot of malas this time because people were asking us about the malas a lot.
Yeah.
So you can see the side pieces.
And next we have this. This is with the two side pieces. Along with that we have these pearls and Caesared work. So this is coming to around 13 grams.
So only 13 grams, Andy, and it is very grand. Even this is one of my favorites in the production. And our evergreen choker, as people keep on asking us, stock lo undandi, and yes, it is there in the stock now.
Last piece.
But how much it will last, we don't know. So no orders at present till Deepavali varaku, no orders, Andy. After that, we will be again taking the orders once the situation of the production becomes proper.
Next we have this mala. This mala is coming to around 4.5 grams. And then I have this mala too. This is coming to 5 grams. Then we have these chatai sets.
So all these again are in demand. People keep calling us. So they are very light and
Around
they are very good.
3 grams, 5 grams, 4 grams. Very beautiful.
Right?
And next we have this Guttapusalu set. This piece doesn't stay in stock only. So very, very super hit set. The whole set is coming to around 27 grams.
So Guttapusal, there is a quotation in our store, Puttin Mundu Pelli. So వస్తే వెంటనే పోతాయండి. And this is a Rani Har we did.
The Rani Haram that we did. Very beautiful. The whole set has come to around 27 to 28 grams.
And very graceful when you put it on the neck.
Next we have this set. This green beads mala. Along with these pieces.
Again inspired from the Pachi collection, Andy. So very beautiful. The
Very,
fall
very
is
nice.
nice. Yeah.
20 grams, 2 tulas we have done it.
2 tulas and very nice. It stays back. You can see that.
Yeah.
With carving of the stones. Very beautifully done.
Next we have this Chandbali necklace set.
It is Tikkasokul style, Andy, with the Chandbali.
Yeah, it's a semi-long haram. So the whole set is coming to around 17 grams.
Very hit one again.
Then we have this set. This set is also very, very beautiful. With the pearls, so many lines of pearls. And
Very nice fall, even this one. After you wear it, it looks so grand on the neck.
This is around 30 grams.
And again, a very much in demand necklace. This one also.
The Jali necklace.
Yeah.
Around 22 grams, 25 grams as a necklace.
And Magari, we have both the designs. This one, Inkokut Unde Adi. Still, we did not put it in display.
This set is coming to around 23 grams. Then we have the Satlada, which is coming to 22 grams. Next is this beads mala. We have done it in around 6.5 grams. Next we have this Guttapusalu.
This is again a new launch, Andy.
This is also very, very pretty. And the best part of the Guttapusalu that we made, this is coming to around semi-long length as well. You can wear it long as well, and then you can wear it short as well.
So, రెండు వైపు వాడొచ్చు మీరు and very lightweight, Andy.
Only 43 grams we have done this piece.
So 43.
Yeah.
And
next
then
we
this
have
is
this choker.
always in demand. Price of the Satlada 1,55,000. How much, Kunj? Am I right?
Around 160, 165.
160, 165. I was quoting without the GST. And here again the evergreen Navaratna one, Guttapusalu. And even this set had.
This is coming to around 23 grams.
23 grams. This set also had a lot of queries. It again comes back every time it sells.
Around 34 grams, the whole set. And then next we have this one.
So very light, again inspired from the Pachi collection.
This is also made only in around 17 grams.
So please log in, take your phones, contact us, do the booking, and till Dhanteras, there is till Deepavali, there is no making charges on any plain gold jewelry bought at Sri Balaji Jewellers since 1956.
15 grams the whole set with the Ram Parivar coins.
Chandana, thank you. Good day. Yes, మీరందరూ ఉంటే మా డే గుడ్ డే ఉంటుంది.
Then we have this choker only in 5.5 grams. Next we have this choker set that we have launched latest. This is coming to around 10 grams the whole set. Next we have this choker set which is coming to around 12 grams, 11 to 12 grams.
So all lightweight and the chokers, even ఇవి కూడా అన్ని పచ్చి నుంచి we have copied. So పచ్చి కాపీ చేసుకొని we have done it. Demand again.
6.5 grams choker only.
So all this is in stock and no need to order. You can directly book it, right? So all are very beautiful.
Next we have this choker set. This is coming to around the whole set is coming to around 16.5 grams. Very beautifully handcrafted. Then we have these Bajuban chokers.
These are also always in shortage, and we are coming up with lot more. So
Bajuban chokers are starting from around 6 grams to around 12-13 grams.
this is 6.23 andi. So very simple, cute, and not that flimsy also. People call me and ask, ఏదైనా పల్చగా ఉన్నాయండి, flimsy ఉన్నాయండి. So they are decent enough. And then we have the
Nail pendants.
nail pendants.
These nail pendants for the first time we have done only in 5.3 grams.
So size పెద్దగా ఉంది and 5 grams low. You can see that.
And then next we have this in 5 grams. Next this pendant in only 7 grams, 6.5 grams. Next this one in only 5 grams, 3.5 grams. This pendant we have launched in only 2 grams. Only 2 grams. And again this pendant in 4.6 grams. So here all our collection is seen by you. I'll just take you a glance of the
ear
collection.
hangings. You can just show the ear hangings
Yeah,
also.
we have these ear hangings as well. Just have a look.
చాంద్బాలీస్ ఉన్నాయండి, బుట్టాస్ ఉన్నాయి.
All these ear hangings are starting from around 6 to 7 grams to around 12-13 grams. Very beautiful Chandbalis. Chandbalis are into too much trend now. And next we have this collection of earrings.
టాప్స్, ఇయర్ హ్యాంగింగ్స్ ఇవన్నీ ఉన్నాయండి, రెడీ స్టాక్ లో ఉన్నాయి. జస్ట్ పింగర్స్, గో ఫర్ ఇట్. అండ్ అగైన్ డిఫరెంట్ డిజైన్. దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో
Around
డిఫరెంట్
3
launch.
grams is the starting in this. We have these earrings as well. So you can let us know.
You can just have a look at all these things. These are all in stock, and till Diwali we are selling it without making charges. So that's it from our side, Andy, and we are coming up with another Insta live tomorrow, which is in diamonds. So every day we will getting some different thing, and tomorrow we are getting a lot of lightweight stuff into a different style. Ruby, Emerald, CZ lo kuda vastunayi. So we will be coming up with more and more. Keep shopping and have a safe Deepavali. Lakshmi Sukh Samruddhi మీ ఇంట్లో తరాల తరాలకి ఉండాలి.
Thank you so much everyone. Thank you. Have a great day.